What is up, guys? Welcome back to Offroad Diaries. If you're new to the channel, I'm Christa. He's gone. He always runs for me. That's Jonathan. And today we are taking Sherb here to Rebel Style Kustoms to go talk to Vern. If you look here, he's gonna see what we can do. We've got some carnage on both of the doors from them not being latched and slinging open while we're driving. So we're gonna head to RSK. Where are they at in?
They're located in like West Valley, Utah, kind of like the Salt Lake suburb area.
So we're gonna head south from our RV park up here in northern Utah, probably about, what, a little over an hour. So get ready for the Sherbformation. All right, guys, we made it down south to RSK, Rebel Style Kustoms. We got Sherb here. If you notice, Sherb does still have her paddles on. We, no sense in taking them off because we got 2 weeks before we are in St. Anthony's for Pioneer Weekend.
Or I'm just too lazy to take them off.
That could be a factor as well. So we're gonna get Sherb unloaded here so we can roll her inside. Vern's gonna see what he can do about maybe beating out our doors. Again, that's the driver's side. Showed you guys the passenger side. You want me to climb in and back her now? Okay. Unload the beast.
Okay guys, so in case you didn't realize, Sherb is not gonna look like Sherb anymore after this weekend coming up. And then after that, full tear down. Well, not full, but very, very close to full. We've got so many new different things that are happening, and we're really excited about it. So follow us in. We're gonna record some of the stuff that Vern does here at RSK. They built some of the sickest cages out there, but we're pretty pumped to show you guys what's going on inside RSK. Oh my God, it's Landon Wales, everybody. Is that Landon Wales?
Swinging by.
Say hi to everybody.
What's up, guys?
If you guys don't know who Landon is, he's the most famous person in the state of Utah.
Right.
Professional door guy?
I'm the doorman.
Are you the doorman?
Can I hold the door for you?
I love it. Well, yes, you can.
Oh, is this horrible? You don't mind. Oh, I don't care.
Little Sherb skis. Look at her. Poor baby. Look at that. We got cracks, torns here. It's a great little shop. We got a whole setup here, yeah. Got a bunch of busy little bees working hard today. We got one door off. Sherb looks naked. See what Al's doing over here. What you doing, Al?
Oh. Digging stuck parts out.
Oh, cleaning her out?
Yeah, that's in there.
Was she dirty?
It's in bad shape.
Oh no. How bad?
Well, the bushings are melted in there. I don't know what went on with that pin, but the pin had bushing material stuck on it.
Oh.
That's why they were squeaking so bad.
Oh.
So you want to put some dry molly lube on that. Whatever got on that just didn't play well with the other stuff. That
It's a
and the
little
dust.
rusted, huh?
Oh yeah, the dust and
Yeah.
the dirt.
All the grime.
Yeah.
It's just evidence of her being driven.
Well, yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
that. That's
Well, you know what they say, it's all downhill after you pull it off the parking lot.
Thoroughly impressed by this place. 10 out of 10 would recommend RSK everything. They take care of you here. Makes me happy to be here. Makes my OCD happy to be
I
here.
know.
Makes me want to go home and clean my shop, and my shop is organized.
looks like we're coming in with some new ones because
So
he was working on apparently this bolt here. I don't know the proper terms. I should ask them, but when he was boring out the attachment, he was saying it was not looking too good. How are we looking now?
Slowly but surely.
look at this. We got a new little thing to add to Sherb right
Ooh,
here.
where does that go?
It goes right here.
Oh!
It goes behind it. It'll go behind it, but
See, we do have an RSK grill already.
we already got an RSK grill on there.
Ah.
Swapped her over. Look at what she did.
Listen, Linda, I'm tired of you talking bad to me.
Old Sherb getting your little makeover.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Al, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Is it your fault or her fault? It's probably her fault.
No, he's this. It's that. I'm gonna blame that on you. I don't know why, but I feel like you're blamable. Oh, he's back.
I told her to be back in a little while. I gotta go back to
You
work.
didn't bring us food?
I got beer.
Oh. Of course he has beer. Look at the port. Look at this. That's from the freaking doors flying open too. Well, like man,
Yep. There's a lot of damage.
there is a lot of damage. Look how pretty those look.
No wrinkles on them.
No wrinkles. That's right. They're brand new. Let's keep them that way. Look at that seamless clothes.
Until next time.
No, no more next times, Al. Look at that. Oh,
There you go.
oh, she pretty.
The cleanest that door's ever looked.
I know. We're gonna keep it that way, Jonathan. Oh, look at you, Sherb. I like the even with that just naked. They just. We're gonna make the driver's side look pretty now. Oh, sorry, Landon. Let's see how bad the. Yep, look right in there too, just like the passenger side. Beating this frame up. Oh, heartbreaking. Okay, listen to this. We're gonna do a little comparison. Let's do a little comparison test here. So we got the squeak. Let's see. Oh. No squeak!
Something happens, there's no gravity.
Oh, you almost got your face out.
That was easy.
Look at this. We got latches. Since they were broken off. See? Look at this. Pooh. So you can see that Jonathan was just pointing out these doors are a little bit different. So the frame, this frame that Al has right here, it's only got 4 tabs now. So there's only 4 tabs instead of 6. Good stuff, guys. Amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
It pulls off of these plastics so easy because this is that thick vinyl that we're done with you. No
Oh,
more.
throw it in the trash. Wait, I want to take off a piece now. See? So satisfying. Ew. See, I could have already been doing this. You told me not to.
Wow, this stuff comes off way easier than I thought. This wrap's been off for almost 6,000 miles.
She needs a new look. She needs a little
Tired
touch
of
of
you looking
lady.
like this. Man, this sucker opens up like a Cadillac now. We got a Lamborghini. I can't believe we've already
You're
pulled it.
slacking, man. I already finished my whole side.
I know, because I took part of your side off.
No, you started on this side. You took this part off.
That's under investigation. I'm just like, if I'm going to have a black door, I can't see all this other stuff. It's too busy.
Oh, look at this. Look at. Oh. That's beautiful. Jonathan said we needed a heat gun. Got half a car done. I got it. That was a mastermind over here. Look at all this. Just got a couple more pieces to go, but I don't want to get in Al's way. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take it. All right, I'm officially taking off the last piece of wrap that is currently on Sherb. Rest in peace to the wrap. Voila. She naked. Look at that. I'm so excited.
Say goodbye to Vern.
Bye, Vern.
Bye.
You're amazing. I'm sorry.
It was nice to meet you. But I'm hungry.
I'm a hugger too. Yeah, that makes me happy.
Oh,
You keep holding that while I hug you.
you got. She's naked. It makes me sad.
What is up, guys? Thanks for watching the first episode of the Sherbformation. So we have our Rebel Style Kustoms cage completed with powder from Cache Valley Coating. Hayden over there killed it. I don't want to show the rest of the pieces yet, but you do get a sneak peek of the RSK cage now powder coated with the roof. And huge shout out to Rebel Style Kustoms, the entire team there, Aubrey, Vern, Coby, Kelton, Kyle, Al, Kaden, all the guys and ladies that are part of RSK. If you want to check out their doors, cages, front grills, all of the parts that they have in stock, visit their website at rebelstylekustoms.com. Cages are call-in. They build cages to your specific needs and wants. So just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of where we're at with Sherb now. Thank you for watching this Rebel Style Kustoms video. Again, huge shout out to Rebel Style Kustoms and everything that they have created in this Sherbformation. We are so excited to do a Sherbformation reveal at UTV Invasion in just a couple weeks. And we have another update. We got Scarlett.
The engine is back together. Hit 180 pounds of compression, just barely turning it over for a couple of seconds. So that's a good sign. I have started to put it back in. So there she goes. I've started the reinstall of the engine, and I'm actually not too far away from finishing it up and trying to give it an actual true start. We got a lot of work to do in 5-ish days to do it. So you guys are seeing this video that do watch us and are gonna see us at Invasion. I just wanna show you guys what Sherb looks like right now. Yeah, so Sherb's missing a bunch of parts right now. We got shocks on the ground. I have a bunch of stuff to start reassembling all the stuff we just got back from powder, but that's where we are, guys. So we appreciate y'all so much. It means a lot to us that you watch our videos. I know I always say thank you, but I just want to always be appreciative of everything you do. When it comes to watching our videos, it means a lot. So now, I don't even know what to say. It's a lot.
Coming up next, we are going to have a couple of videos from Pioneer Weekend when we went up to St. Anthony's. Sherb was actually completely naked, no wrap, brand new RSK doors that were fresh and no squeaking, so that was super exciting. So you'll get those two Pioneer Weekend videos, and then you're gonna get the full Sherbformation series that will drop. And we can't wait to share it with you guys. This has been quite the adventure in rebuilding our machine, and she's taken us a lot of miles, so we are giving her some love back. So thank you guys so much again. Seriously, it means everything to us from the bottom of our hearts. We're just here trying to live our best lives and have fun and enjoy the time we've got. So we'll see you in the next series.